Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum from Uptown 101. Today we're going to be touring the Cadence at Frisco Station. This is a very pretty, very recently built property and can't wait for you to see it. We're going to tour inside, we're going to see a model, we're going to see the amenities. We're also going to see a 2-bedroom that is an available unit that's very pretty, and it's one that if you were thinking about maybe selling your home and wanted a really cool kitchen and a place that feels like home, that'd be a good option for you too. So I wanted to look at this property, but I also want to look at the neighborhood, and I want you to see what an incredible neighborhood this is. So this is in the Star area, and that's the, that's where you would go in. That's the leasing office. But when I turn over here, just down the street over here, that is the Star, and I believe that road is Hall of Fame Street. So it's got all the football kind of names. So that's Hall of Fame Street. But then you go pretty much another block or so. So it's about a 7-minute walk, and you're in front of the Star area and the Cowboys practice field, and that's where you get to enjoy that. You get to enjoy also shops and restaurants that are there. So we're gonna I'm gonna actually walk to it so you can see it and see how close it is, and then I'm gonna film some videos so you can see it too. But this is a very fun location, and it's new, it's exciting, and can't wait for you to see what's inside. So let's go explore that.